Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So basically how to manage Google account. So first of all, let's enter the settings and let's take a look at this left side of the screen. Here we have to scroll down to find accounts and backup option. Let's tap on it. Of course, as you can see here, we've got whole Google section, and obviously you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts and backup. So let me tap on it, and here all we have to do is to simply tap on manage accounts. As you can see, I do not have any previously added accounts, so let's tap on add account, choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the whole email address. You can simply enter this in the very first part of it, so before the @ symbol. You'll see, because after tapping on the next, your device will automatically enter the rest of the email address. So right now I have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, so we have to tap on next after entering. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And of course you will also be able to remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it, to be aware that you do not have to remove the account to add an additional one. But of course, if you want to, you can simply tap on it and tap on remove account. It's quite simple. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. Be aware that if you've got the screen lock, like the pattern PIN or password, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually, this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.